Let's see this question, and the question says that statement 1, the radius of second orbit of He plus is equal to that of first orbit of hydrogen. Then the statement 2 is the radius of an orbit in hydrogen like species is directly proportional to the n square and inversely proportional to the z. Now you have to tell whether these statements are correct or incorrect. So this question is actually based on the radius of orbit, which is actually equal to 0.529 n square by z angstrom, where n is your principal quantum number and z is your atomic number. Now, if we calculate the radius of the second orbit for helium, so in this case, value will be 0.529 and n here is, since it is second orbit, so n will be equal to 2. That means 4, and then z for helium atomic number is 2. That means it will be 0.529 into 2 angstrom. Now, if we calculate the radius for hydrogen, then it will be 0.529 into n square by z, and you have to calculate for first orbit of hydrogen. So n will be 1 here and z will also be 1. So these two radius are not equal. That means statement 1 is your incorrect, because in statement 1 you have been provided as radius of both of these are equal. Now statement 2, the radius of an orbit in hydrogen like species is directly proportional to n square and inversely proportional to z. Yes, it is absolutely right, as it is written over here that radius of orbit is n square by z के directly proportional है. This means your statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. That means D option is your correct answer.